Guys, we got a little seasoned ground chicken going in there. If you don't have seasoned ground chicken, don't worry about it. Use regular. We are making some jalapeno popper chicken nuggets. So we're going in with about half a cup or so of cream cheese. And this is the whipped cream cheese. Got some shredded parmesan. Again, probably about another half cup or so. I'll put the measurements down in the caption. And we're adding, hell with it. We'll add all of these chopped jalapenos. Okay. Again, probably about another half a cup's worth. So we got a pound of ground chicken and half a cup of everything else we've added. Guys, we got my West Coast shake. This is actually my seasoning, so if y'all want to try it, I'll put a link in the comments. Just ask for it. And we're gonna go in with a good tablespoon or so of that. Okay. It's all the flavors of the West Coast. All right, we got our gloves on. Here's where we get a little messy. We are gonna combine all of this stuff really, really well. You wanna make sure that all the cheese is incorporated with the chicken. All the jalapenos are covered up and incorporated. Guys, this smells really good right now. I don't know why I'm surprised, but it does smell great. Okay. Looks like we got it where we want it to be. Now let's start knocking out our little nugget sized bits. Okay, we're gonna put our chicken mix back over here. Right here we got some of this coconut flour. I'm trying to watch my carbs and there's only 10 grams of carbs on these. So I thought I'd give this a try over and above like just using regular flour for these nuggets. Again, I'm gonna add a little bit of my West Coast shake in there. You want every bit of this to be seasoned up, right? Getting gloved up here. I'm gonna do my best to make little nugget sized pieces, right? I am not a professional nugget maker, nor have I ever claimed to be one, but you know what a nugget looks like, right? So we're just looking for like a little patty like this. And I'm just gonna drop it in there, get it coated with that coconut flour. All right. So nothing crazy. Get a decent coat on there, kind of pat it off. All right. Okay, I'm gonna put this to the side. I got a little tray right here. And I'm just gonna build as many of these as possible, but I'm not gonna make you watch me do the whole thing the whole time. I'll see you when these are done. Team, we got some veggie oil in there. Now let's get our nuggies submerged. I'm just gonna let them chill out, cook them till they're golden brown and lovely, and until they're at least 165 degrees in the middle. We're definitely up to temp on these bad boys. Nice and golden brown. Let's get them out, let them rest, finish the other ones. Y'all, nuggies are done. Let's take a look and get a bite. Let's crack one of these bad boys open. You can see, got the studded with those jalapenos, all the spices, all the goodness. All right, time to get a bite. All right, y'all, we got our little crispy, crunchy nugget right here. Jalapeno popper chicken nuggies. Can't go wrong with this one. All the flavors you love. Cheers. Oh yeah, man. So many flavors going on. It's not too spicy. With the jalapenos, I just cut off the flesh, so I left the seeds and the ribs, you know, throw those in the trash. Just wanted that good jalapeno flavor in there. My West Coast shake, you really taste it in there too. Guys, this is a winner. Give it a try, because baby, you know it's good.